So the noise happens whenever the driver's side door is opened. The car's off. I open the driver's side door. I hear the normal brake actuator noise. But then the knocking begins. And I figured out it's louder underneath the car, sort of towards the right. The catalytic converter was stolen a couple years ago, so I got a cheap one so it'd be less desirable, and a little cable wrapped around it. But the noise comes from somewhere around here. It's louder. It's louder underneath the car towards the rear right side. It just randomly makes this knocking kind of a noise. Seems to be coming from underneath the car towards the rear right. Hard to tell exactly, but I'm wondering if replacing the brake pump actuator fixes this problem, or if the knocking is still gonna be there when I'm done. Don't want to put the money in the brake actuator if it doesn't fix the knocking noise. It's not there it goes again. It's not coming from under the hood, and it's not coming from in the trunk. We've figured that out. Any info anybody has would be helpful. Thank you.